Good day, it is Stephen Davids here. In this video I will give you the best, in my opinion, tip that one can give someone new to LibreOffice suite. And that tip is about a feature in LibreOffice that is available in all the elements of the suite. It is available in the writer's suite as well as the spreadsheet program as well as the presentation program. For our purposes, I will mainly focus on the feature as it appears in writer and in presentation. And this feature is namely the sidebar. I will not go into detail about it, but I just want to introduce you to the sidebar. If you are new to LibreOffice, as I was, and maybe because of various reasons, perhaps you migrated from Microsoft, and then you find this new free program that everyone talks about, and your focus is maybe because you are busy with a project that you must finish, a study project or a writing or whatever. And then if you see on the side this thing here, the sidebar, you close it because you are not familiar with it and you do not know it from Microsoft Office. So you just focus on the top and the bottom menus just to get going and to finish your project and to see if this new program is what it is promised and if it's compatible and you can continue and can use it. And then after a while, if you know but you can use it, you continue. Even every time when there comes up, maybe for whatever reason, you can take whatever, the sidebar comes up, you close it because it's a nuisance, you're not used to it. Well, that is something I had done for a considerable time, and it's only later that I started using the sidebar. And I want to recommend you to use it. If you don't have the sidebar already opened, you will see on the right hand side screen there's a small darkened bar with an arrow in the middle. Click on it and then the sidebar will appear. If this rest of the sidebar is not open, maybe only these features are showing, let me close it there like this. Then you just click on anyone. Let's start off with the properties because that is what I want to demonstrate for you. As I say, I will not go in all these elements in detail, but I will just show you the benefits of using the sidebar. Let us start off by the properties because that's most likely where you can start off. If you look at the properties here, you also see on the top sidebar here, this is the standard top menu bar. You will see basically that all the elements are on the top menu and on the sidebar. For example, the heading 1, there are the elements. That is next to it, the text and character elements here, as well as the paragraph elements and spacing, etc. So all the elements in the top menu are available at the sidebar. The second reason is that the sidebar contains more elements that you can use. For example, the paragraph color is not available here at the top standard menu. Here it is. Another example is here that this character spacing is not available on this top menu. So there are things that are more. Another thing is, for example, if you look here at the corner, you will see more options. And there you can see all these options available. Another reason is that the sidebar let you access options and functionalities with one or two lesser clicks. For example, if you go here to the character, then you will see here more options, and in the more options you immediately just click on it and then you have the options. Since the sidebar is already open, all you do is, let us close this, you just have one click. To enter those options in another way will means that you must go to Format, 1, Character, 2, and then you have these options. So you save on the amount of clicks, and this, when you work with a bigger document, these small things adds up to save you time. Another reason is that the sidebar use icons to quickly illustrate what is meant, and especially when you are new, it is quite useful. Let me go to the presentation program and add a new slide. Let me go with slide, new slide. If you have this new slide here, then if you want to have the layout without the sidebar, you will have to go to slide and then layout. And if you only use this, you do not at one glance understand and see what is perhaps meant there. There's 4. If you want to change this layout, it doesn't suit you, you go to slide, a layout, and then you choose maybe another layout 6. Whilst if you use the sidebar, you can already have access to all the layouts, how it looks, and all you do is if you want this layout, you just click it there. If you want the other layout, you just click it there. You immediately see. The last reason is that in LibreOffice sidebar, there are some functions that you can only perform in the sidebar. And to illustrate this, I want to go to the navigator and then use the navigator, then the content navigation, and then the open these to show all these headings that's available. There are 4 headings available. Now, if you want to, for example, move these heading texts, you go to the content navigation, anchor the text, and then you just move it there up a level higher. And there you can see it is there 3 now. So my advice in conclusion is that if you are new to LibreOffice, go and familiarize yourself with the menus, top menus, etc. Do not be confused with the sidebar. But maybe after a week or so, immediately try to familiarize yourself with the elements of the sidebar. Project like LibreOffice, Microsoft Office, or whatever has such a lot of functionalities. You will not use everything. You only use a select few that suits your purpose and your work. Then keeping that in mind, explore the sidebar for what elements you want to use and see, and I can assure you, in most cases, it will be easier for you to access it via the sidebar. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video and please subscribe.